Hello, welcome to the end of week 7 in Business 501. You've made it. Next week is week 8. You've just got a couple assignments to go. The discussion from this week and then the big assignment that's due next week. You are almost there. I'm so proud of you and I'm so thankful for the hard work that you've done. A lot of you guys have been really improving in your writing and your research. I see it and I've been commenting on it in your assignments and I hope you see that. Um, Let me just give you a little bit of an overview of what you're going to be doing, and then we'll think about where you go from here. So next week is your portfolio assignment. It's due on Sunday night. That's the end of the class. That's the only thing you have due next week. So you get to focus on making sure that gets done. Hopefully you get some time this weekend and then next weekend to do that well. That goes in the overall portfolio, which is that big piece of work that you'll take with you from this online MBA program. And then that's it. That's the end of organizational behavior. But let me give you a bit of a perspective. You've spent the last 7 weeks going through the e-text, reading this textbook, but you've also looked at outside sources. We've dealt with different articles. You've looked at all these different videos. You've interacted with each other in discussions. What's the point and what's the purpose of that? It's to put tools in your toolbox. The whole point of this class is to give you a few more tools so that you can lead well, so that you can help your organizations be healthy, so you can work on culture, so you could work on structure, you could work on leadership. It's like you're becoming a doctor for an organization. And I hope that you'll find that helpful. All these assignments have just been to help get this material into your mind so you have it as ready memory and access for the jobs that God has given you to do. So I was going through Proverbs. I go through Proverbs with my kids. And on Wednesday, I was reading Proverbs chapter 2 with my son, and a verse stuck out to me that I want to share with you. It says in Proverbs 2, verses 6 and 7, For the Lord gives wisdom, from his mouth come knowledge and understanding. He stores up sound wisdom for the upright. He's a shield to those who walk in integrity, guarding the paths of justice and watching over the way of his saints. If you are a follower of Jesus, you are a person of faith. I hope you know remember there's a God who is, it says, storing up sound wisdom for you. What an incredible thought. That God wouldn't just be having wisdom in who he is, but he is storing it up ready for you. And when the time is right and when the place is the right context, God gives us that wisdom. What an incredible thought. What a good father God is, that he would store up good things for us. He would store up wisdom. And I don't know about you, but as a leader, I need wisdom. And I'm so glad that God stores that up for me. So I hope that's encouragement for you. As you look at your final assignment, if you have any questions, I'm a phone call, I'm an email away. I do live here in Eugene, and I would love to be a help. You're almost there, 1 week to go, and then you'll be done with this course. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy your weekend, and I will talk to you as soon as we email or text or call next.